Okay, so let's visit our syllabus and then we will go. Okay.
Yes.
So the first chapter we have already covered. Then organizational structure also we have covered, both theory as well as practical also we have seen yesterday. And then this FI general ledger we have seen chart of account. Then we have created chart of account assigned to company code, and then we created jail accounts. Then we did some postings, and these things already we have discussed. This also parallel accounting also we have seen it, right? Leading ledger, non-leading ledgers, and then universal journal also we have discussed. Now today we will try to discuss this vendor master creation accounts payable. Okay, so we will try to create one vendor. We will do theory as well as practical together. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So let me just give me a moment.
Yes.
Let me log in and then it is visible.
Yes.
So yeah. Okay. So today we will discuss this S/4HANA accounts payable concept, as well as we'll see the system configurations also. Okay. So what all topic we will cover in this? This one they have not included a business partner. This is part of this accounts payable and account receivables both. And then we will see vendor master creation, invoice entry we'll see, and this automatic payment program we will see in the future classes, and then we will discuss these concepts. Okay, we'll understand this. Okay, so in S/4HANA they have introduced new concept called business partner. Okay, earlier it was directly only one supplier. Okay, vendor only, they used to deal with a vendor. So they used to create the vendor. Okay, they group those vendors, and then they used to create vendor master, and then they will do their invoice postings for vendors and the clearance and all those things. Okay, it was straightforward. So now what S/4HANA, when they have introduced, they have come into this concept called business partner. Okay, so what is business partner? In SAP S/4HANA, business partner is a central master data object used to create, edit, and store information for all parties you do business with, including customer and supplier. Okay, so the business partner will link with both customer as well as vendor.
Okay.
Okay, so earlier it was all separate. Customer was separate, supplier was separate.
Okay.
So now they have it is merged it. Okay, so what it says, it acts as a single point of entry, completely replacing the separate customer and vendor master record. Used to be an older SAP ERP system. Okay, now they have merged it and it will be together. It's called customer vendor integrations. CVI, there is this concept that also we'll see. So what happens, instead of maintaining it is in different place, okay, so if it is your vendor is also your customer, okay, but you have to maintain it in separate place. Okay, you have to maintain two time you have to maintain. The address will be the same, right?
Yes.
Their bank account also will be the same.
Yes.
So to avoid that and to remove those duplicate things, to storing it, same duplication of the data, they have come up with this business partner concept.
Okay. Okay.
Actually, business partner was there in ECC also. Okay, but that was not mandatory. Okay, so in ECC, wherever there is a one industry specific modules are also there in SAP. Okay, what is industry specific modules? IS, they call it IS. Okay, that we did not discuss earlier, but I am just saying it here. So what happens? SAP has come up with a solution for industry specific. Okay, what is the industry specific? Like retail, right? Okay, on supermarket you go, right, and retail. So they also can use this SAP, and they have made us such a solution that it's only specific to that whatever problem they have and the business scenario they have. They will have designed that completely to solve their solution. Okay, so that is one industry specific, and then oil and gas is also there. Like all these oil companies, we have a Saudi Arabia and all those companies there who does the extraction of oil. So it is completely different business scenarios. Okay, so it doesn't it like not normal accounts payable, account receivables, and general ledgers. Okay, they have their processes entirely different.
Yes.
So for that also they have one specific solution called oil and gas IS. Okay, and some companies like insurance or insurance companies like utility companies. Okay, utility companies like electricity bill, water bill, what we get, right?
Yes, sir.
For that also SAP has given this solution called industry specific utility. Okay,
Okay.
so the utility business is completely different, right? Like electricity bill every month you are getting it, recurring bill you
Yes.
will keep getting it. Okay, so for that
Yeah.
SAP has designed different kind of solutions. So all insurance and subscription also. Subscription
Okay.
like you subscribe something like Amazon Prime or Netflix, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
for that also there is a different process how to do the billing and all those things that is come under utility. Okay, so that they call industry specific. So there is also another module is there in SAP, it's called FICA. Okay, finance contract accounting.
Okay.
So what is contract accounting? Suppose you have taken one Amazon Prime uh,
Uh,
subscription. Okay,
yeah.
for a month, for a year. So, okay, so between Amazon and you are the user, so there will be one
Yeah.
contract created. Okay, and that
Yeah.
contract there will be agreement that every month you will get that bill. Okay, so
Yeah.
that bill, how it takes, what is the process, how the master data happens, though there also this business partner concept comes in. Okay, so they use it in Fika, if they wherever it is, but in S4 HANA they made it everything is business partner. It is mandatory for all kind of business.
Okay. Okay, sir.
See, generally in SAP, whatever businesses you see it, it is like a more like a B2B business. What is B2B business? Like we are selling it to some company and then they will sell it to end user.
Correct. Yes.
Okay, but in this business partner or that that can solve you with like B2C. If you are doing any kind of businesses, B2C directly to consumer,
Customer. Consumer. Yes.
customer. So like if you are using Apple, I know this process. If you know this, you are using Apple. Okay, so Apple has a lot of apps. No, you
Yes.
App Store, through App Store you download so many things. You subscribe so many
Yeah.
things. Right. So
Yes.
anything you subscribe, okay. So as soon as you create, means take Apple product, you have to create your own ID. Okay.
Ah, yes.
So that ID will be stored in SAP.
Okay.
Okay. And whatever purchase or anything you are doing it will go through them. Okay. So if you are taking subscription from Apple Store, App Store, okay. So whatever subscription means like Amazon Cap, they will pay it. So they will take some royalty. Okay.
Okay.
So it is a different process altogether. So that to solve through business partner. Okay.
Okay.
The contract
Yes.
accounting and all this is altogether different process is there, but you must
Mm.
know that also.
Okay.
So here, so everything is which, business partner, and then yeah, so that industry specific they used to do that B2C for consumer. But here now it's saying everyone use this business partner. Okay, so that has a lot of advantage. What all advantages are there here? Okay, so okay, so what all are things are there in the business partner? Okay, advantage before going to the advantage. Okay, so they have three main this one. Okay, uh, so general the three types. Okay, general data. So three, like you say na, three boxes, like okay, how in the BP will be having. Okay, so one will have general data that will keep your name, address, tax number, bank details, and other things. Okay, and then you do, if you want to do some kind of, you know, for supplier things. Okay, so supplier related information will be there. Okay, purchasing data, payment terms, and the reconciliation account. That also I'll explain that reconciliation, what the reconciliation account. And then customer roles, so related to the customers. Okay, so that will have sales area, shipping conditions, and pricing procedures, things will be there. Okay, so see, you're saying a single company could be both as a supplier and buyer, right? That's why we do this kind of things here. And how many types we can create? We can create organization level, person level, or group level. Okay, so see here, companies, legal entities, and department, we can do it. This is for private individuals also, we can create this BP. And group, collection of people. Okay, so that also we can create this BP. Okay, so what all are the advantages of this, having this redundancy reduction? Okay, so meaning duplicate will go out. Okay, here time dependent addresses. Okay, so you allow you to maintain multiple addresses and specify the date during which they are valid. Okay, so address, different address, one person if changing the addresses also, that also can be mitigate here. Okay, and we'll see the ecosystem readiness, align master data for smooth integration across advanced system like extended warehouse or transport management or master data governance. These are SAP, some or different modules are also there, so it is easy for them to, you know, have integration with this one. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now so main is duplicacy. Okay, and data duplicate gets removed. Okay,
Okay.
so in ECC, to create one vendor, we have vendor related, we had so many transaction codes. Okay, XK01, XK02, XK03. Okay, XK01 is for creation of vendor. Okay, SK02 is a change of vendor master. SK03 just to display. So many others are also related transaction codes where they have developed it. Okay, for different views, different information if they want to see it in the vendor. So they had so many of such T codes for vendors. For customers also they had a different XD01, XD02, similar way. Okay, all these transaction codes which were there in ECC, they have changed and everything will be used in BP. Only single transaction, that is also simple two-word transaction code BP. Okay, so they have merged everything and all this task will be done here only directly. To see how much simplified they have done it in S4HANA. Okay, because we were using it since ECC's time. Okay, so all those we used to do it. Okay, so if SD related things are there, we have to go to somewhere like FD01, FD03. Okay, for material related is there MK01, something like that. We used to find out what is the transaction code and all, but you don't have to remember anything. If you are dealing with accounts payable or account receivable, just single transaction code called BP. Okay. So that is also one advantage. It has replaced all this extra transaction codes.
Okay.
Then we have a tables. These tables, we want to see the BP. So table, to see the table, there is a transaction called AC16. You can note down it, okay? So see, anything SAP you are storing, all will be stored in table format, right?
Okay.
In the beginning we have discussed it. So this table, we can, these are the tables, some standard tables, which BP things we can check it. Okay. This is one table for customer. For vendor, we have LFA1. Okay. I'm just giving it here so that for you, future, you can see it.
Yes.
Okay. These are the important tables. You can see it. Now, yeah. Okay. And there will be role in business partner. There will be role. Okay. It's called BP role. What is the role? So that role will say in the what is that BP is about. Okay, that BP either it's for vendor or for customer. Okay, BP will be same right now. So one is the 000, which is only general data, which will be used by both vendor master and customer master. Then if you want to segregate, then you have to go to that role. Okay, is BP, what is that BP's role here? It is called this for FI we have this role. For vendor master we have for related things we'll have this role. On customer master we will see it in the system also. Okay, how this roles get defined and determined. Okay, now clear right till now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so vendor account group. So what happened here, any vendors or supplier, okay, we are dealing with. So what we will do, we will make them group. Okay, to maintain it in the system, we classify them. Okay, what is the classifications for the suppliers? So we have a suppliers like a domestic supplier. Okay,
Okay.
and then we have some supplier which is international supplier. Okay, then we have you can classify them as like, okay, one is a raw material supplier, one is a finished good or a semi-finished good supplier. So like that, okay, you want to say, okay, we have this is Bangalore region supplier, so we can say Bangalore region suppliers. Okay, so likewise, based on the business requirement, you can do it your classification of vendors. Okay,
Okay.
so to have this data maintained in system SAP, so what they will do, first they will create a vendor master group. Okay,
Yeah.
so like GL master group we created, right?
Yes, sir.
Remember GL asset, liabilities, income,
Liabilities,
expenses.
expense. Yes, sir.
So likewise here also you see that vendor also we have to classify it like raw material supplier. But different supplier could be, right? So instead of means all having it in one, we can have different. So it will business will be easy. Okay. So they want to see, okay, where is the raw material supplier? Who all are the raw material supplier? From them we can request for our whatever requirement is there, material requirement. Huh? So
Okay, sir.
that is the group. Okay, and then group also has to be, the number ranges also will be there, like customer master, GL master. We also have to be have one, this one. Okay, there is one more thing called reconciliation account. Okay, I have not added this it here. I'll add this information one before going to this. Okay. Okay. So this reconciliation account will keep do it. Okay. So what it does, I'll put this information later. I'll write it here. So you understand it here, like vendor and customer or assets. Okay, these all are sub ledgers.
Okay.
These all are sub ledgers. These has to be assigned to some of accounting, I mean general ledger master. Okay, where actually your accounting gets captured. Let me get this general ledger. So we created general ledger, right? Where is that general ledger? Here, right? These are the general ledger, no? We have created. So these are the main things where everything has to be, if you are doing any kind of booking, right? Any kind of transactions we are doing. We did some transaction yesterday, right? So what happens here? Debit and credit, something is happening, right? So it is where it is getting captured in that account number, GL account number, right? So for vendor and customer also, what will happen? This GL vendor number will be visible here, okay? But the GL account will be assigned in the background. That is called reconciliation account. So we can have multiple vendor account can use that reconciliation account. Okay, we will see that how it is happening and how we assign it. Okay, so the subledger can have, and that is must. One reconciliation account is must. Okay, we'll see it here. So so let's go and create this account group, and then we will see it. Okay.
Yes.
We'll go to the system. So we will learn it with the system directly. Okay. If I explain it now, reconciliation account, you are not able to understand this. But when we go to the system, we will get to know. Okay. So what we will do, we will create some that vendor group. Okay.
Yes.
SPRO. So financial accounting. Then here, this is where it is going. Account receivable, account payable. Okay.
Okay.
So till yesterday we were dealing with these two. No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now this is the third one. Okay. Now we will do the supplier account. Okay. Vendor account, not vendor account. Here it says supplier account. Okay. Then master data. I will say it is supplier account. Okay. So they have changed it all. Supplier account. Okay. Supplier account, then preparation for supplier account, and then you have to do it. Define some group. Okay. So we can come here. You give your group name, anything, and you can save it here. Okay. So suppose I will give some dummy. Okay. Because we have created, but you can create same. Okay. Just to how to save it. So allowance space. Okay, that is fine. You can save it like this. Okay, here if you do it here, it will save it. Okay. We will not save it here. We have already some account group. We will use that for our company code. What was our company code?
HP30.
I remember that. Okay. So I assign that same way, so we don't have to remember again and again. Okay. So see here, I said domestic supplier for HP30. Okay. Now here the field status also will be here. Okay. Field status here. Same way like general ledger, we had a field status. No, here also field status. Here you see the reconciliation account. I have made it a required entry. Okay.
Okay.
If you don't do this, your accounting will not happen properly. Okay, but it will not capture anywhere. So
Okay.
after doing this, you have to assign this to what is this? This is done. Then we have to create number range for vendor account group. Okay, so number range, where is this number range? Okay, create define screen layout. Where is it? Number range define. What it says where vendor master preparation, create number range for vendor master. Okay, here only, right? Preparation, create number range for vendor master here, right? See here.
Okay.
So you can give your company code and do this. Okay, not company code not required here. Directly you can come and see. So you can define this number range here. Okay, this is number range you can give. But if you are creating anything new, it will like so many overlap. If this number range is used, you cannot use the another number range. Okay, so this number range tells you this is the number which your customer will be created. Like we had a general ledger, right? That
Yes, sir.
asset accounting, and then whenever we are creating, so asset will be
Yes.
from 1 to 1999, right?
Yes, sir.
So likewise, here also we have this number ranges. Okay, so that number range will tells you that creation of vendor group. Okay, so I think D1 next is this number range has to be assigned to the account group. Okay,
Okay.
so likewise we had account group, GL account group we had, and then we have given number ranges, right? So
Yes, sir.
here also that number range we have to see which one we have assigned here. That number range will create D1. Okay, D1 we have created. Okay, means we have assigned. So what was the D1 here? If you see
Hmm.
this number range D1. Okay, so number range somewhere customer when we create that supplier, it will have this 530 or something, whatever the zero nine till nine it has created. If you're creating next, it will be 10. Okay, if some other vendor group they are using it, they might create something new also here. Okay,
Okay.
so what is the range we have? 5,000, very limited we have taken. No? 5,000 is enough, more than enough. No, 5,300 to 6,199. Somebody has created, I just use this one. Okay,
Okay.
you
Okay.
also can create your own, that is based on that available number range only. Okay,
Okay.
now this is done. This is clear, right? These three steps.
Yes, sir.
Okay, first is creation of account group, and then
Yes.
number range, assign the number range to that group. Till now it is clear, right? That is normal process in ECC also.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. Now next is CVI. This is what we were talking about earlier when we talk about vendor master, BP. Okay, so this is a mandatory process to synchronize your customer vendor master with a BP.
Okay.
Okay, so how do you synchronize this? That is called CVI. So if you go any interview or something, and if they ask you what is the difference between ECC and S4 HANA in account receivable, account payable, then that time you can explain this. Okay, BP,
Okay.
business partner. What is business partner? What is the advantage of this? What type of roles will be there, and how it is getting done? It is called synchronization of vendor or customer to new business partner.
Okay.
Okay, so it's called CVI. It's a standard term. SAP only has given this term, customer vendor integration. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what it says, as per if you go, customer vendor integration in SAP is a mandatory process. Okay. That synchronizes traditional customer vendor master data with the new business partner object. BP. Okay. It ensures that creating or updating a BP automatically update customer vendor tables, centralizing master data management under transaction code BP. Okay. So BP is your main. Okay. So how do we now we have to do configurations for BP, business partner. Okay. So you understand this also. So this there also three steps. Yeah.
Okay.
So like we have created vendor master group, similar way we have to create BP group as well. Okay. And this is not under your FI this one FI module. Okay.
Okay.
It goes it comes under cross application component.
Okay.
Okay. So that's where they define the number ranges and then that grouping, and then they do the synchronizations. Okay. So how do we do? So first define number ranges for this. So we have to go to this path. We'll see. So we'll close this cross application component. Okay. Then we have a business partner.
Okay.
Okay. Then again business partner. SAP business partner, business partner. Then basic settings.
Basics. Okay.
Then what is this? Number ranges and grouping. Define number range. Okay. So define number ranges here. Okay. So before defining number ranges also will be there already. Okay. So similar way like customer vendor grouping number ranges we had, right? Here also we have number range. Okay. So this number range, we will not define new number range, something which is already available. Okay. Creating new number ranges also is feasible, but since it is a test system, right? So many are already defined. We will use one of them. Okay.
Yes.
But if business gives you to define this, so business system will be just specific to that particular business, that company, right? Or company codes.
Yes,
so it will not have these many number ranges. They will have very limited groups. Okay. Now define grouping and assign number range. So you have to do some kind of grouping here also for BP. Okay. So you can come here, new entries, give the group name and number range, whichever we can get it from the available or creation, whatever you have created here. Okay. So I have created one, I think grouping here, see. Okay. So I have given a number range H0. Huh? H0 answer. What is the number range H0? This number range will come. This is HO, no? This is HO. H0. This is H0, okay? So it will come something like this. Okay? 1004. This one. HO, okay? So we'll see how it is. What is the next? So these two steps we are done, okay? So I have taken the screenshot for you, okay? Number ranges, you can take it here. HO we have taken. Then assign number range. This one HO assign. Then what it says?
Group.
synchronization here. Okay, define number assigned to direction. Okay, so we have to go a long path here. Business partner setting, then CVI. Okay, vendor customer integration. Okay, where is that? Master data synchronization. Okay, master data synchronization. Then here see CVI. Yeah? This is CVI check, but this is customer vendor integration. This is the place. And then business partner setting. I think business partner setting. Same way when you practice, you do in this way. Okay. And then where it is saying, no, not here. Vendor integration. If I go, then we have this assign key. And then here, okay. Number assignment, assign key, define number assignment, direction BP to vendor. Okay, BP to vendor. If you do one mistake, done. Nothing will work. Okay. HP 30. Here you can see it. Okay. So we have HP group. We have assigned to which group? Our domestic supplier group. That is vendor group. Vendor master group. Okay. Hello. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, I can see.
Okay. So here you can see define this number assignment to BP. Okay. So here that group BP group has to assign with that vendor group. Okay.
Okay.
That
Yes.
we assign it here. Now, so this is done. Okay. Now we will create some BP. Okay.
Okay.
We'll try to create some BP. We'll be able to create. Okay. So transaction code is BP. T code. Okay.
BP.
Here we came BP. Okay. Now we will create CRC, that three type we discussed right in the beginning. So we will create for organization, some company. Okay. And we have to give it here group, our group. Okay. So what was our group? We have created local BP for HP 30 somewhere it will there. Okay.
Local list.
FG L right here right. It's local BP group, no? This one, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And here BP role, as of now, we are not giving anything, we are just creating general, okay? Then we can give company. Okay. So here we can give our name. Okay. So any name we can give it. Like we can give HP 30 local business partner. Okay. We can say BP1, right? Okay. And then we have to give what all is required. Street, house number. Okay. So let's give something electronic city. I'm just giving name, anything it can be. Okay. Postal code, this city, Bangalore. Country, you can give your own or whatever business gives you the reason. Okay. Based on this is Karnataka 10. think this
It should be
language.
not.
Which one? Hello? Your voice is breaking. Your voice is breaking. Hello? No, I can't hear you. Can you hear me? Okay.
So I was asking
So,
this create in BP role, what it should be normally. Like what is
normally,
it?
we will see. First is general, and then those we have discussed, right? Those roles. These roles. When we are creating for FI
Okay, okay.
supplier, we have to give
Huh.
this role. We will do that. We will use it. As of now, I'm just creating the normal BP. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Then we will that BP we will create supplier and one that customer also. Just see it here. Okay. As of now, just same role you just select and then create it. You give
Yes.
these informations, whatever information is required here. Okay. So we are giving address, okay, postal code, name, and that we can give it here. Address we have given, not an issue. If there is anything else is there, legal form or something is there, that also you can give. BP type also is required. We don't do it. So other information also you can store it here, like
Okay, okay.
bank related things also you can maintain it here. Okay,
Okay.
for BP. So now I'll just save it. Okay, so I can check it if there is any error. Okay, so check. So data for business partner is error free. Okay, so I can save it. It will give me one BP.
Huh.
Yes. Okay. So it has given me one BP. Okay.
Okay.
410. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now this is done. Okay. This is done. Okay. So now we have to create supplier. Okay. So
Yes,
for
sir.
supplier creation, we have to change the role. BP role. Okay. So that role I have given you, right? There. This one we have to use. Which one? Okay. It's not. It is coming. It's it come top. We'll go slowly. Here, yeah. This one, okay. FLVN00.
Yes, sir.
Save change, yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we can give here the name is there. We have given. To create this BP supplier, we have to click this company code. Okay.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
that customer has to be, vendor has to be for some company code, right? So we will
Yes, sir.
click this. This is, so we will go to the company code. So what we are doing, we are creating BP. No, we have created BP, and now with that BP number, we are creating some supplier. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So here it says company code is something different. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to remove this, and then we have to bring our company code. Okay. So this one is coming. We have to delete this here because this company code is not required. This is not our company code. We will give our company code. So do create our company code.
So that. Yes. Yes.
Okay, and then you have to adopt. Okay, now it is asking reconciliation account. Okay, so now again we will go to FS00 and we will see what is that. What is the difference that reconciliation account and normal account.
Okay.
Here also we have to change company. Okay, so we have to create the one reconciliation account. So what is that being a reconciliation account? So see this vendors are what? Is our liabilities or asset?
Vendors are liability.
Vendors are liabilities, right? Because we have to pay to them. We have to pay to them.
Yes.
All right. So it is a liabilities. So, okay. So what will happen? So vendor, whatever vendor business we are doing, ultimately it goes to that one general ledger account. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that is called reconciliation account. Okay. So here I have created one. We can create one more. Okay. HP 30. Okay. Here. Okay. So this we will create. So we have to give the account type. What is that account type? It is balance sheet. Okay. And what it is? Liabilities. Okay. And here we have to give the short text. So let's give it something. Recon account. Okay.
Yeah.
HP30 anyway we are doing it, but we will just give recon account vend. We'll say supplier. Okay. Now here, okay, here we have to understand this one, recon account for type account. Okay, what it is. So this is the field which tells this system this reconciliation account will used for which one, either supplier, for customer, or asset, anything. Okay, so that we have to give it here. Okay, for vendor, customer, or asset, or anything else. Okay, so it is for vendor. If you don't give it to vendor, we will not be able to use this reconciliation account. Okay. So this is must. If you assign this reconciliation account, this one, then this reconciliation account directly we cannot do any kind of posting. Okay. Reconciliation account, there is no direct posting. Just you note down that also somewhere.
Yes, sir.
Now here we'll give some field status group which we have created, right? So see how these all are interrelated. Our first class to till this class, everything is.
Yes, sir.
Not CH, we will give something 67, something is the reconciliation account. Okay. So field status group and all those things, we can create it and save it. Okay.
Okay.
It is saved. Okay. Click on account supplier. Okay. So this is done. BP, it is, this is required, right? Reconciliation account, it is must, otherwise it will not allow you to do. So now we can see two reconciliation account, we can see it here, right? One is the earlier one, this one we just now created, right? So we'll use this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What else is required? So in this place we don't see anything else is mandatory. Okay. Then this payment term you can use, give it 1. Okay. Now, if anything correspondence is there, withholding tax is not, it's now. Okay. So this is, we have given this. Okay. Now we have to see if there is any error. Okay. You can check it here. So data of business partner is error free. Okay. Now we can save it. So we should get one here. You see internal, it is number should come here once we save it. Okay. So we can save. Everything is fine. It will give us a number 5306. Okay. So 5306 has come. Okay. This is our vendor creation done. Okay. So BP. First we did BP creation, right? And I've just given some sample. You can have your own. Okay, not an issue. And then we did supplier creation, right? So we have chosen this supplier, the BP role.
Yes, sir.
Then you have to, I'll just make a note here. Okay. Okay, some notes. Click on company code, right? We did that company code, no? Yes. Here. Here. Okay. So click on the company code and then assign the company code. We did assign, right?
Yes, sir.
Company code. Okay. Those two things you have to do it.
Okay.
Here, okay. So this is done. Supplier creation is done. Now, so let me summarize this before going to this doing a vendor invoice or anything. So what we did first, two that we created group for vendor master, right? Yeah. Okay. Then number ranges for that vendor group, and then assign that number range to vendor group. Okay. Right? These three things first. Say I've given steps. Yes. Okay. And then we had created reconciliation account also.
That's right. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll just keep this here. Reconciliation account screenshot. I'll put it here. Okay. So let me give two screenshots for you. This field is important, okay? This one.
Okay, okay.
You need to remember it here. Okay. So yes, done. Okay. Easy to understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Very easy.
That will take time, sir.
No, now I'm now you seeing it here. It looks very simple. When you go into the real time system, that time you will face all this problem. But I am giving you a very simple way, very stepwise. Okay, so just if you follow that, you will be able to do it, but you have to do everything right, correct from the beginning, not directly here from org structure. Okay, then
Okay,
only
sir.
you will be able to create it. Now we'll do some kind of vendor posting, vendor invoice posting. Okay,
Yes.
so there is a one transaction code called FDAS43.
Okay.
Okay, so here again, like yesterday we did what we did, FDAS02, right?
Yes,
General
sir.
ledger posting, just normal posting.
Generalize. Yes, sir.
So here also, like see now it is coming KR, right? Document type. Huh?
Ah,
So that document type number range also we have to create somewhere, no? So
yes,
let
sir.
me see it here. OBA7. Okay. So KR.
All that.
No, no, these are not. Path is there, but if you remember this,
Okay.
you will go directly
Easy.
here. We have so yeah, we have seen it in the path also. So instead of
Yes.
going there, since I know, I can directly go
Yes,
here.
yes, sir.
The KR.
Okay.
So KR, if you go, say what is the number range here? 03.
303.
03. Did we assign? Yesterday we have seen, right? Many were there already. You can also assign your own, okay? But if it is already there, you don't have to assign it. So 03, 2026. So it is coming from 300 13011. Okay, that's fine. So let's here FDAS43 we will give, so number range should pick from 3 series. Okay, 3 series
Okay.
number should come up when we do here. Okay,
Okay.
here this is
Hmm.
credit. Okay, vendor credit.
Correct.
This posting is
Okay.
vendor credit. We have discussed this also, right? If you have a
Yes.
doubt, you just click there and you can see 31 is what? Vendor
Yes.
invoice.
Vendor.
Okay, credit. Here see, okay? Credit or debit. So credit. So that also you can see it. Okay.
When
This
select
date.
type, will it automatically come, sir? The
If you go
posting
give that, yeah, this type,
type.
no? This
Okay.
type automatically comes when you go to the transaction code. So vendor invoice
Okay.
posting is FDAS43, the transaction code.
Uh-huh.
That these are end user, this one. So, but understanding for you, you need to know this.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
And see
Yes.
here, period 2 came. Why?
Yeah. May. Yes.
May,
Now we
right?
are in
So
May.
April and May.
Yes.
Currency
Yes.
and the company code.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now here account. So we have to give it our supplier.
Mm.
What was our supplier? 5306, no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
HV, this one, right?
Yes, sir.
HP3, local BP1. Okay. Now we just do enter. You give some amount. So suppose we have purchased something from the from some vendor. Okay, so suppose we have bought something for 75,000. Okay,
Yes, sir.
then we just put this purchase account. We're doing some purchasing, right, from the vendors. Here,
Yes.
there we did credit. Here we have to
Credit
do
now debit.
debit. Something. Okay? Then here we don't know which account. Okay, so
Ah.
purchase account. Did we create purchase account?
No.
If not, then let's see if it is there. Otherwise, we can create one. Purchase account is there. We will use this. Not an issue. Okay.
Okay.
We'll see here FS00
Hmm.
expense, right? So one purchase account is there. What is there in this purchase account? primary cost revenue. See here, P&L statement, the return earning account we did no. So that's why it is ask X and Y. Okay.
Okay.
So here, this one, cost element category is there here. Okay. So again, it will ask cost center. Okay. These are all normal. So this is we have created already. You can create it, copy it also, not an issue. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we will use this.
Yes, sir.
Here it is asking anywhere anything, no. So you just do star and here plus. Okay.
Yes.
Automatically you will see here it is cost center. See, is there no? If I do enter, it will give error. See.
Yes, sir.
What is saying? Requires an account assignment relevant to cost accounting. Okay. So if I give CCA, which we created, right?
Yes, sir.
It should error should go. See, gone error. No. Now we can do display account review. So this is what it is looking like. So now you need to understand here. Let me post it. Okay. So it is coming from this purchase account to your vendor account.
Vendor account. Yes.
Okay. Purchase is debit. This vendor is credit. Okay.
Yes.
So now this looks fine. We can post it. So it is posting. So this account 3 series, right? We remember now here 3 series document posted. So displaying this document is FB03. FB03. Okay, you can give your company code here. Okay, so this is your document which you have created now. See, cost center we have given. This profit center automatically it gets derived. Okay, so no need to worry.
Okay.
Now you see it here. So it is coming vendor, right?
Yes, sir.
Here it is coming the purchase account.
Yes,
but where is the GL account? Which GL account it will hit? When we did, when we did FB03, if you see, we did some general ledger posting yesterday.
Yes, sir.
So here you see this GL account to this GL account. So both are GL account. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But in this case, we see vendor. You see vendor. So how do we get the report vendor? It has to hit some GL account, no?
Yeah.
Right? Any accounting entry, it has to be account number, no?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Where is that account number? So there's account number. You can see it here.
Okay. Liability, sir.
From where it has come? Where it has come? How did it take here? This reconciliation account we have assigned, right, in the supplier.
Okay.
When we were creating supplier, we assigned one account, right?
Yes,
so
sir.
this is the reconciliation account use. Means this is how reconciliation account will be hit.
Okay.
Now you understood the relation?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So these are the ledger we call, and this is sub ledger. Okay. So anything we are booking for this vendor, it will hit this account, liability account.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. So when we do the clearing again for this, now if you do vendor, we have done the purchasing. Now if you do we do payment, right? So that time this will go debit, right? Vendor will get debit.
Yes.
And then your bank will be credit. So this is, now it is liability is in credit. So when we do the payment, again it will hit from this GL, from this vendor to this GL.
Yes. Okay, sir.
You understood the relation, right?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Got it? So this is
Yes,
how the reconciliation account will be used for any of the subledger. Okay, you understand this clearly, then it will be easy for when we go for account receivables.
Okay, sir.
Okay, when we do some kind of posting for our customer invoices.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so at that time also there will be some reconciliation account which will be grouped on the assets.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Why assets? Because customers are our customers are our assets. Okay, and this is our liabilities.
Liability.
This you understand. This is very important. If you understand this,
Yes.
you will be, you get the concept clear. Okay.
Okay.
So this is done. This also you understood. Now note down some transaction code for vendor reporting. Okay. So FBL1N.
FBL1N.
To get that vendor report.
Okay.
So what is that vendor report? What is our vendor? 5306, right?
68306. Yes.
5606. Okay. Here we have three options: open item, cleared item, all item.
All item.
Okay. So if you now we have just posted one invoice, right?
Yes.
So if I execute, we should get the list of that accounting document. This 3 series we did, right?
Yes, sir.
Here. No, not this one. 3 series, no?
Yes.
What is it? 3 series? This is just now we posted, no? For this vendor 5306. So 5306 here. This vendor, we whatever documents we get. So now this is our liabilities. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And what is that?
Due date.
This will say due date. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So since we have given single date, so it's a due date already met. Okay. So this account, this much amount we have to pay it. Okay. Now let's do some more posting. Let's see. Let it be here. Okay. We'll post some more and see how it is looking. Okay. So updates 43. Now one time if you once you understand, then it is just you can explore so many new things. Yeah, so you just give this all same, and this we don't have to search again because we know this is 5306. Then we give something 25,000. Suppose we buy something 25,000. Okay. And this 40 debit, right?
Yes, sir.
Then purchase account. What was that purchase account? What was that? The 42, no?
40. Yes, sir.
42, right?
Yes.
42 only, no?
Yeah.
42 only. 42. Okay. So This is done. You say something, same purchase account, okay? Star plus CCA. Okay, nothing, no need to do anything, just to enter. You do this what it call simulation, okay? And then you just do post, okay?
Yes.
It will do or so 4, okay? Number 4 has been posted now, right? This has been posted for 25,000. Now what is our balance in this vendor?
75, 1 lakh.
75 plus 25, 1 lakh. So I can come here and see. It is 1 lakh.
Okay.
Right.
Yes.
So this is how you can see this vendor report. Okay. Now we have to do some clearing. We have to do some posting in payment. We are doing payment for this. Okay. How do we do? FDES 53. You note down this transaction code for vendor payment, outgoing payment. Okay. FDES 53. Okay. Now here you see document type changes. KZ.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So we'll see. Vendor payment, right?
Yes.
So number range is 04. 04 here you see 4 series, okay?
Use 4 zeros.
4 series, huh? So you give the date. These are same, not required. Now here you give the amount, whichever amount we know, 1 lakh, right?
Yes, sir.
Not the account. We have to give here bank account from where
Account
this will go on. So suppose we'll give, we have created something ICICI main account, huh? We will use that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then amount 1 lakh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now here we have to give this account for which we are clearing. Vendor, supplier.
Okay.
Which supplier we are creating? 53606. Okay. Value date you just give. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anything, so nothing is required. Okay. Now we have to select the process open item. Okay.
Okay.
Entry required. Text is required. Okay. So we'll say something. Supplier payment. Okay. You know why this message came? Text message came.
We have given the required option.
I think we have given this required field. Okay. Field status G1C text assignment. Huh? That is mandatory. We made it now. That's why it came. Yeah. So G001 we have given now. Yes. See here, text is mandate required.
Yes.
That's why it is asking the text. See how the relations are, where we have defined, where we have assigned, and where it is asking. Okay. So we have created in a field status group that assigned it to GL account. That GL we are using it here, so it is asking this.
Yes.
Okay. This is how the relation is in SAP. How many checks are happening? Logics running behind. Okay. So this much amount we will clear. Okay. Just click all assign. Okay. Nothing to do. We just, so this is okay. Now we will try to just simulate it, and then all looks fine. So this much amount will go from this account. Okay. And then we will do post. See, posted. 4003 posted. So FB03. So payment also we have done. Okay. So this is debit. Okay. This is credit. So vendor account to that vendor account, they got 1 lakh. Our bank got credited, right?
Yes.
Credit entry happened. So 25, right? 25 is what? Debit, right? Outgoing payment. It's saying, huh?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
What is this? This is simple credit.
No.
Okay. Credit. Okay. So this is posting. Now see here, this reconciliation account. It got hit here, right? Again?
Yes, sir.
With the debit. Earlier it was credit. This has got hit with the debit. Okay. Now again we will go FBL 1N. This is our vendor. Okay. Now open item. I am just searching open item.
Yes.
See, nothing is open item. Why? Because we have made a payment. No? We made a payment, right? Right. So if I do cleared item,
Yes, sir.
if I give this today's date, okay. Now I execute, I should get it. See here.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So these 2 documents were posted for vendor invoice, and 1 document we have cleared both.
Yes, sir.
So these are for KR, this is for KZ.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So this is how this will be done. Okay. To posting. See this text we do, right? Supplier payment. So it has taken it. We got it here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is what it is for entire AP processes for manually clearing. Okay. So this clearing also happens automatically. That is called automatic payment program. Okay. So how much time we have? Can we see that? 34, 40 minutes, 20 minutes approx we have, right? 25 minutes are there. Okay. Let's see how much we can cover it. So till that now it is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? You can practice it and see it where you can face it.
Okay.
Okay. So here we go. So we have seen vendor master creation. See, it's only one step, but how many things we have to do?
Yeah. Yes.
And then invoice entry we did. right?
Yes, sir.
This reporting also we have seen, and this we will see automatic payment program. Okay, so let's
Yes.
see. Let's see. So I made this one. Just take a 2 minute break and then come on.
Ah, yes. Sir, we can start.
Okay. So
Yes.
next is automatic payment program. Okay.
Okay.
So first we'll understand the concept and then we will see it in the system. Okay.
Okay.
So what is it? Automatic payment program. It's called APP. It's most popular in accounts payable.
Okay.
So many interview questions comes from this place.
Okay.
So what we did just now, we manually created, right? We manually did the
Yes, sir.
payment,
Payment.
right?
Yes, sir.
So here we don't do anything manually. Okay, it's automatic.
Okay.
So it's called automatic
Okay.
payment program. In S4 HANA automates outgoing vendors payment. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it drastically reduce manual processing and speed of payment cycle by dynamically scanning due invoices, applying banking rules, and generate payment files for the bank. Okay, so what it will do, it will automatically see what all are the pending, means like due date has met for those vendors, and then
Okay.
it will clear those invoices. Okay, based on the configuration whatever we do it. Okay. So what all are the main configurations for this? So there is a one transaction code FB transaction code called FBZB. Okay.
Okay.
This FPZP you have to do some configuration. So you have to, when you don't have to go to SPRO and all, you just come here FPZP and you have to six basic configuration is there which you need to do it. Okay. First, all company codes, paying company codes, all company codes, like you have to give the company code which you are doing the transactions for, payment for, and the paying company codes. Sometimes maybe the paying company code will be different than your normal company codes. Like you have multiple company codes. On that, if one company code who does all this payment for other company code also, and so that option they have given paying company codes. Payment method in country. Payment method means on that country what all type of methods are there which your payment happens, like your bank transfer or check or any other processes. Okay, so primarily checks or bank transfer is there, right? Then
Yes, sir.
payment method for company code. So those payment method again you have to assign to this company codes, which company codes you are doing the transactions. Okay,
Yes.
and then there is a bank determinations. Okay, so if you have multiple banks, so which bank you can the payment should be done based on the payment method, okay, or the currency.
Yes, sir.
And then
Yeah.
house bank, that is main. House bank means like bank in details. Means you have to create your bank. What is the bank account? Okay, on that bank account which GL account is there. So creation of bank account number, bank key, those details we'll have in house bank. So these
Yes.
six configurations are there. So
Yes.
FPZP, if you go to FPZP, we'll learn directly in the system, okay? Theoretically
Yes, sir.
is okay. Here you see, okay? All company
Yes.
codes, paying company code, payment method, country. So we'll go one by one and understand it here, okay? System
Okay.
only, okay? All company codes, okay? So here you have to give your company code, okay? You can create your own company. Here you can give if it is not available. Okay, so it is already there, so I'm not creating new, but you can create your own if you are doing your own company code, right? That time you can create it here.
Okay.
So you can give sending company code, paying company code. Okay, this is must, and then other details are also there which you can give it here. Special GL. These are for like when we do advance payment or down payment. Okay.
Okay.
That time these concepts use, but that which we have not discussed it yet, so we will not go there. So as of now, just understand APP. This first all company code, and then paying company code. Okay, paying company code, you have to define what is the minimum amount, maximum amount. Okay.
Okay.
Here you say minimum amount. Okay, incoming payment, outgoing payment. So
Okay.
that you can give it here. Okay. Then
Okay.
these two are common. Okay, we can utilize it. Payment method can vary. Okay. For a country, India country, we have so many already defined based on the business. They will have their own type of payment method. Okay. So among that, we can use one of them. Okay. So if you go inside check, suppose we will take check. Okay. We are doing it through check. Okay. So outgoing payment.
Yes.
So outgoing payment, I will say, what is this? Payment method classification, bank transfer, bill of exchange. Okay. So these options are there. So primarily check or bank transfer we will have. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Payment method is nothing but how you are doing the payment to the customer, to the vendor.
Okay. Yes.
Right. That is the payment method. So, but that payment method has to define in the system, and then it should carry. Okay. What all the informations, like when we are doing this. So what document type will be clear, like KZ, we did manually, it came, right?
Yes.
So that KZ will be
Yes.
assigned it here. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Then somebody had changed it or what it is. Okay. Then there will be some program which generate the code. Okay. Which generates the file that will be assigned here directly here. Somebody has changed, I believe, this one. Check bank transferred. So this type of your program will be there, standard program. They use it here, but see, somebody has changed it. India. This is different. Okay, we will see it how it is. Okay, somebody made some changes. It should not make change. RFFO underscore CE, that is good. We'll update that, not an issue. Okay. No, we're not making change. Okay. So here I did the C. Okay, C and T. These two we have taken it from that place. Okay, from country, and then you can assign it to the for company. Here also you can do it. Okay, which paying company code and then method and do it. Okay. So let's do something. We will assign one company code. And they did mistake. Here payment method India check. We will take one. C generally I take, but C they have changed it something. Okay. A. Well, let's define A. Okay, for A for our country. So we can do payment method. I will do one new. Okay. So this is payment method. We'll take A. Okay. And this is also check only. Okay. And then payment minimum we keep 10. Okay. Now maximum 10 नहीं कर सकते. Maximum amount we can have to give more, no? Okay. Okay. And then
Yes.
let's save it. We have to give it to the transaction code. Okay, our transaction TR. It's take time. Okay, that's why if you do everything configurations, everything definition, system will take a lot of time.
Yeah.
What HP? Just HP, huh? HP Inc. we did here now. Once and I have created yesterday, right? So ours we can use this. Okay, this is done. This is done. Now payment method for company code done. Then we have to do house bank. Okay. House bank, we have one. We can create our own. We have this. Okay. 30. We have house bank. Okay. So let's create new. Let's see what happens. Okay. We'll see. We had bank ICICI. No. We'll create one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bank country is IN. And bank key, you can give anything you can give. Okay, 4321. Okay, 4321 I have given. Something already is there. 4321 5. Okay, this is not there.
Okay.
Create. Okay, you have to give the name. Okay, ICICI bank, simple. Branch, electronic city, everything will give here only. Something HP again. That's okay. Yeah, that's why we're creating. Okay, a bank we don't have. That's why we're creating. Okay, so we save it. Save it. Not a problem. Then we have to create a bank account. Okay, and this is one important thing. So bank account, earlier we used to create it here directly. Okay, in SAP. Now it is takes us to Fury. There only you have to go and create. If I go here, it will ask us to go there Fury. Okay, it will take us to the new screen. This is the new. Okay, let's see if it opens. Here it is opening. Okay, advanced. Go here. Here it will ask to log in again. Okay, just to log in. Okay, now here what we have to do, we have to create bank account. Okay, so opening date we can give. Today is, what is that? Today 24/5/2026. Company code 30. Account holder name, anyone you can give. Okay, company, you will give some company. HP will give. Okay, not an issue. We can give anything. Bank country India. Bank key, what we created? 4321 56. No, 5 only. Yeah? 5. Okay. And then Account number we don't know, right? So account number also you can give anything. 100 something, we'll give 100 2 3 4 5. Okay, 100 2 3 4 5. Huh? Okay, 6 7 digit. Huh? Okay, anything you can give, not an, it's all bank, right? So bank number, that is, just remember that, this and this. Okay, let it be, it will save in the system. Okay, now this account type, account type, we'll see current account. Okay, now this is done. Okay, we have to house bank, we have to give which GL account. Where is the GL account? Is there here? We have to give GL account we had, right? So it is interlinked. Okay, from that SAP system. So which one is that? ICC. No, we will use that ICC main bank. Okay, this is what we have created. No, ours.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then this is nothing. This is nothing. House bank data. It says like this. Okay.
Yes.
So we can save it. House bank account. Okay, here also we can give account ID. Okay, ICICI only, not an issue. And bank account. Relevant payment branch will automatically approved. Okay, now we have to save it anywhere it's required. Specify value of currency before you continue. Okay, description language maintain, not maintain. So where is that? We have general data. I think we are missing something. We have not done anywhere. Currency, where is that currency? Account description. We can see current account. Okay, where is that? Here. They have not made it mandatory, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is one of the tasks to create. Okay,
Yes.
bank hierarchy, that is okay. I think that should be okay, not an issue. This is already done, right? Okay, so now we should get it here. Huh? I should get it here. It is also fine. We'll come out and see. Okay, if it is visible here, or sometimes it take time. FPZP. Okay, let's see. Earlier it was straightforward. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, right, go to house bank. What is that? SP30. This one. Here you see, right? ICICI Bank we have created, no?
Yes, sir.
Read access only. See, here. Aram it came, okay? ICICI Bank.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So, it has come. Now, next step is bank determination, okay? So, here also again, paying company code will go. Here, ranking order you have to give. So, something is already there here, huh? Ranking order 1, 2, 3, okay?
So it's like from which account the payment will go first, like
So I'll create one new. Okay. So our payment method we have done A, right?
yes, sir.
Currency INR. Okay. So this also we can give one. Let's see. Okay. House bank is what? ICICI.
H, that
If
fourth.
this is that payment method, this should be first. Okay. Let's see if it
Okay.
is allowed or not. Okay, it is allowed. Okay. So this is done. Then this has to be account detail has to be maintained here. Okay.
So create.
So ICICI. What is it? Payment method.
Payment.
We are doing different payment method. No, A. That is also check, right? Currency. INR. Account ID. We had, right? ICICI something. No?
Yes.
What is that? We will get it here if you don't. Here, see, automatically came. Some account you have to give this GL account. Just ICICI main GL account we had created, no? 10010. 10010,
Yes.
no? This one you have to give. Save it.
Okay.
Okay. Bank account, this is okay, not required. Available amount. Here also you have to give your amount. How much amount is available, no? Payment. You are doing it.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So bank may some amount has to be there. Right.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Account
Yes.
ID, ICICI. These days you just give something. Okay, it is valid for this many days. INR. Give. Okay. We are not paying it now. Will system will
Yes.
just give it. Okay. Just save it.
Okay.
So I think we are done with all this configurations. Okay. We'll extend 5 more minutes. Okay. Five,
Yes,
7 minutes.
yes.
Not an issue. We'll finish this. So hopefully all the configuration is fine. Let's see. We'll do one more vendor posting. Okay. And it is to be like open item. And then we used to clear it manually. No, we create it in
Yeah.
this one. Okay. So we will do something. We'll give 45,000. 1 minute. Okay, so we will do something 45,000. Let's see. This is debit rate. This is 4 2, no?
No.
I'll do something. Not supply, purchase, no? We're doing purchase now.
Yes, sir.
Star CCA star done. Okay. 45. Okay. So we have open item 45,000. Okay. FBL 1N. Okay. So we should get open item here. 45,000 we are getting, right? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Here all item. If I see all item, we'll get all clear item and open item. We have done, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So forget that. Now, what is we did all these things. Okay. Okay. We have not taken this. Screenshot we have not taken. Okay. We have to do that. Okay. So now F110 we have to do payment run F110. Okay, transaction code call F110. We're not done this.
Okay.
So you have to give the run date here. Okay, so 24/05/2026. Okay, identification, anything you can give. Okay, so suppose HP 30 we can give. Anything you can give, no problem. Suppose we are doing payment, P we give a. Now we have to, this you can the run date, and this you can do your own. Then you do parameters. Here we have to enter our company codes. HP 30. Payment method we had taken 1A, right?
Yes.
This one. Next payment date. Okay, so we can give next payment date, and it is okay.
Like
We have to do one. Okay. But we have to do one thing.
Okay.
Payment method we had not given here now. Can we change it? Assignment, and this only I can change. Method we cannot change. Let's see. And then we have to create one more, I think.
We had selected check also.
Huh?
Payment
No,
method we selected as A.
no. Here in the document also we have to then how system will find out. Okay, which payment method has been. So this invoice, if it has been designed assigned with the payment method, so vendor will know. Okay, I'll receive this with the check. So the check has to be there now somewhere. Where is that payment method?
Payment method.
Where do we see?
There. Below invoice
Where
reference.
Invoice reference.
Right side.
Right side.
Come down, sir.
Here, no? Here, right. So we'll give A. Okay. Because A we have defined, no? We'll give A. So then only system will define, no? See, we will see the differences. Okay.
40.
CCA. Okay, we can do posting directly, not an issue. Okay, so 6 has been posted. Okay, now we'll go here. Okay, this is our vendor, no? 6.
Yes, sir.
5306. Okay, now this is done. This is not required anything. This is also not required. This is also not required. Okay, we'll just save it. Save the parameter here. Parameter has been saved. Okay, now we have to run the proposal first. Okay, so what it will do, the proposal, it will identify which all invoices are pending to be paid.
Okay.
Our due date has met. Okay, so let's see. We'll do start immediately. Do it. Proposal is running. Okay, you just do enter. Proposal has been created. Now you have to verify that whether proposal has correctly picked that document or not. Okay, so we can go display proposal. See here. Okay, it has picked one and it has not picked another one. Okay, why? You know why? If you go the details, I think so, that one only. Okay, so here this not required here. Okay, same thing is coming. This document 5, right? 5 didn't have this payment method here, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why it is in red. Okay. This, if you do, see here, it is A. Okay. Everything has picked correctly.
Yes.
Nothing has picked correctly. Okay. So if you run, it will pay only for one. It will clear only one.
Yeah.
Okay, if it clears one, then we will think our all the configuration and everything is fine. Okay, so I'll do payment run. Okay, immediately same payment is running. See, posting order one generated, one completed. So it has picked only one. Okay.
Yes.
Which one it has picked? Second one, right? FBL 1N. Okay, we will do all. Okay, first see open. See that how the system doing magic in the background. See, so 45,000 he has ignored. Okay, and 50,000 also we have did right. So that 50,000 it has picked and it has cleared. See, this 50,000 it has been cleared systematically. Right.
Yes, sir.
So this is automatic payment clearing.
But sir, here, so in the bank, the payment will go off to the to the supplier directly.
No, when system will send the instruction to bank. Okay, it's ultimately it sends bank. Okay, means in the real time that way happening, but here we don't have the bank connection and all those things, right? We are not sending anything. We are in the system only. We are clearing it or all those things, payment and all those things. Okay, but in real time it generates one file and it gives the file to bank and bank pays it based on the value date. Based on the value date. Okay. So check
And
through
after
check.
that, it will show as cleared here, or
after that we receive this one. Okay, here it will. So there is we are doing it directly here main bank account. No, so in real time there will be outgoing bank account. Okay, so payment outgoing bank account, and then bank will send us one statement. Okay, that statement will upload it here, and that is another process. It's called LABS, and that ultimately clears those. Okay, so your main bank account will be ultimately credited, right? Credit entry will happen there. So that's how it is. Okay, so this is overall your accounts payable. So 10 minutes we are extra, but we are able to manage completely this one, right?
Yes.
How is it? It is good. Yes.
Yes. One question. In manual payment, so after the payment is done, then we post the entry. Like when we're doing manually payment. So seeing the bank statement, we manually post the payment entry, or how?
Manually, when we are doing manually, we just see it how much is the open item. On that open item, we are clearing it here. That time 1 lakh we saw, right?
After the payment is done, then we have to enter it, right? Like
no, not payment done. Like first invoice happened, right? So we did 75,000 plus 25,000. 1 lakh payment pending was there. So we have just done 1 lakh entry for the payment manually. So 1 lakh done. So it is cleared. Settle those two account.
No, here it's cleared, sir. I'm just saying in real time. Is this payment happen after the payment is done? Then we'll post this entry, right? Like this 1 lakh payment entry, sir. Like I'm just saying from Tally how CVC bank statement. After the entry payment is done, then we pass an entry in the bank in the Tally.
No. Here it will be. See, KZ will be done here. Okay. Then clearing this will also will be settled. Okay. So here directly we did it from bank, right? Main bank. So there will be another in between, some outgoing bank account will be also there. Okay. So purchase to pay account, when we see, that time you will see. So instead of main bank account, there will be another bank account. It's called outgoing bank account. Okay. So it will be when then from when statement comes, so it will be happening outgoing bank account to main bank account. Ultimately it will settle. That statement comes, so that time it will be ultimately clear. Okay, based on the statement. Okay, here it is into the system only. We are just doing it payment clearing. Okay. But this ultimate settle also has to be there. Then 1 lakh
Yes.
based on the bank statement what we receive from bank.
Okay.
Understood? So
Yes.
those manual tasks we are doing it directly here, automatic payment program.
Okay.
Okay. This is how it is. So you need to understand the relation from beginning to end here. Okay. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you do see the system. Okay. If your system access you got, try to practice.
No, yes.
I'll stop it here.